In this video, we're going to be covering how to install the real-life data view and input apps on your Apple iPhone. To get started, open up Safari and navigate to reallifedata.net. Once you're there, click the three-bar menu at the top of the screen and then click Go to Input. It'll ask you to log in, and once you've logged in, you'll be directed to this page where you can click the square with an arrow in it at the bottom middle of your phone. Navigate down to Add to Home Screen and click on Add to Home Screen. Once you're there, click Done, and you'll notice that it gets added to your home screen. Now to do View is a very similar process. Open back up Safari and go to reallifedata.net and click the menu at the top, and this time we're going to click Go to Viewer. Again, once you logged in, it'll navigate you here where you can click the square with an arrow in it at the bottom of your screen. Scroll down to find Add to Home Screen, click Add to Home Screen, and then click Done. And just like with Input, it'll be added to your home screen where you can get to both apps easily.